Orobosa away where they sick. Now do well. Or yeah, invite your friends. Invite your friends and share. Now Orobosa has nowadays, so today I still consider me I can't check on. So as we talk on before, say I beg we need una help. I say we still talk on. The life where I do that day, now some of my followers come say, hey, Mama, some people not be only my followers, not be only my fans, not be only my friends. People come they come and say, we don't know say that true. We just say we don't know. Some people say they not see, some people say they don't know. I beg, I don't know now. So now some of my friends, people who saw a person where be my followers, one of my followers, now he give me this money, 70,000. He say, he don't know, mommy, he give me 70,000. Say me I can't give Orobosa away. Say make the one way she take support and help with this. But he say make I not measure her name, but even though I not measure your name, God will bless you, my sister. Anything where you put your hand for this your life, it go better for you. As you tell save another person's soul. Now so God will save your soul, save your children's soul. Any member of your family, where wish you good, where wish you well, now so God will save the person's soul. So I beg, my sister, where I get where some people there say, mommy, I beg, it's also that I'll give you money, it's also there like this. People they call me. Even though I not see me give money, I can't number dead there. I beg, Mogna, go give on the money for there. I beg my brothers and my sisters. When I do well for my body, today now I can't give her. I not see the daughter for house. I thought I not see her for her today. Can't see the man. Now this one can't be a mama now. Now senior sister be this one. Now I can't give her senior sister.
Thank you.
70,000 more. Still be aware of it when you read Facebook. I will follow us in Opa Usunia or the Bonari. Or when you now you are going to book it. You
wow, Mama OKH just still go give Mrs. Orobosa another money again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today now about Mrs. Orobosa. Mona join me thank Mama OKH for this support wey they give this our beautiful sister, because I see the way she take dey carry the matter ever since. She can't still go today now, can't still go give am another money again. God will bless you, my sister. Mona pray for her more. I beg Mona share the video. Mona share the video, because not be only bad things we go dey share. You understand? Good things Mona say dey share am. Na make una see say saga no dey finish for live video, because if they do better thing, people no dey share. But if they do wetin no good, people go dey share am. Na make you see say bad things no gree finish for social media. Una understand? So Mona share this video, because wetin this woman dey do so na good thing. Na very good thing, my people. Mona join me and share this video, because one make Mrs. Orobosa, make God bless am. May we see say God bless am through this one. You understand, my people? I beg Mona help me to share the video too, make it still go viral. Many people see they see and say she still needs our support. She need our support. Now understand? She need them. Mona, they pray for Rambo. Who knows say it's a big pray, make it pray. Not the only bad things people go to share. At least this one is still better thing now. People they bring money through Mama OKH. So now very very good thing. So anytime she go there, she go see do video. Say maybe we see you here. Not be say tomorrow. Because people when me they expect say they go do this kind of thing, they not even do themselves. Now me I know say many people now only their own. Now they know. They don't know another person, yo, my people. They don't know. When something go happen like this, now you go really know people where they your side. Now you go really know people where they your side. And that time you go know, so you not get people. But the way Nigerians, the way Edo people, they really support this our sister. It can't show me say, cooperation be there this our Edo cyberspace. Cooperation be there. It's just that say some people know the one because they do saga for social media. So you go there, make people they feel say cooperation no dey. Cooperation dey oh. Now when this thing happen, now I really know say we be the cooperate oh. Now just say small thing where they cause this problem for social media where be say this one go say na him talk pass. The other one go say na him talk pass. Now they cause the problem oh. Cooperation be there. It be there, my people. So I really happy the way that they support this our sister. God will bless you now. Ma put the video more than Sam Medalip. More than me share the video. Bye.
Sonia, where's the sister? Hello, name is Mo. Here this is Mo. Hello, my beautiful fans, my friends, my family. How na day? Now good morning, oh everybody, my brothers and my sister. Una do well for my sister body, oh Mrs. Orobosa, oh where they sick. Una do well. Oh yeah, invite your friends and share. Now Orobosa has nowadays, so today I still consider me I can't check am. So as we talk am before, say I beg we need una help. I say we still talk am. The life where I do that day, now some of my followers come say, hey, Mama, some people not be only my followers, not be only my fans, not be only my friends. People come they come and say, we don't know say that true. We just say we don't know. Some people say they not see, some people say they don't know. I beg when I don't know now. So now some of my friends, people who saw a person will be my followers. One of my followers, now he give me this money, 70,000. He say, he don't know, mommy, he give me 70,000. Say me I can't give Orobosa away. Say make it the one way she take support and help this. But he say make I not measure her name, but even though I not measure your name, God will bless you, my sister. Anything where you put your hand for this your life, it go better for you. As you tell save another person's soul. Now so God will save your soul, save your children's soul. Any member of your family, where wish you good, where wish you well, now so God will save the person's soul. So I beg, my sister, where I get big war. Some people there say, mommy, I beg, it's also that I'll give you money. It's also there like this. People they call me. Even though I not see me give money, I can't number dead there. I beg, Mobna, go give us the money for there. I beg my brothers and my sisters. When I do well for my body, oh, today now I can't give her. I not see the daughter for house. I thought I not see her for house today. Can't see the man. Now this one can't be a mama now. Now I see no sister with this one. Now I can't give her senior sister.
Thank you.
70,000 more. Still be aware of man in Facebook. I will follow us in a Opa Usunia or the Bonari. Or when you now you are going to go for Can you know say we dey do like? Wàyà wà wẹ́sẹ̀ o, abẹ́ tí máa nù bá. Amen. Abẹ́ presenters yà fẹ́ nọ̀gídé social media. Uwa ama o, salobano la o, nedu wa mi gbe, nedu wa mi mu, nedu wa mi ezo. No matter ti buwa ne buwa mo, nuwa yi nuwa te ba reta. No pe buwa ba no ku nuwa le no pe buwa ba no ku nuwa le ni Jesu. Abro si ma ni we post ni we show e kian wa ya wa we se. Obo nuwa ya show ni atowo ilu wa ere o. Wada ho, wa bi ma je iya tu salobwa, ameke na wa se sinu e ya gbon. Da obi e wari e obi e woda saba dia fi agbolu wa ge gbo wa geme yare ibe ye ge so pa me mo bo mi obo very always busy ya iwa kian iwa muna bugo bo be ne do pe gbe wari e mi wa wari e yakat na show ba so you say my bunny obe lo bi e so he set the record the lo bi e do man like that I no fit the record for where she like that